Hi guys, it's Miko. How are you? Today I'm gonna review another solid shampoo and conditioner bars. In the vlog, I show you the new shampoo bar I was gonna use. The brand name is HiBAR. And then I have been using that one about a month, I think. I have solid opinion about that. So let's talk about it. I made a compare table with between Kish and HiBAR, and I compared the prices with official website. Maybe you can get a little cheaper in Amazon or somewhere else, but I just compare with what their official website said. And then so HiBAR is 10 cents less. I didn't pay attention for the shipping fees or something like that. And then also I compared the shampoo and conditioner bar combo, or like, how do you say, bundle. Okay, I just give a conclusion of what I feel about HiBAR. In overall, I didn't like it because of the shape. The shape is kind of like teardrop shape, kind of. The shape is not good for gripping, holding tight. When you use the shampoo bar, usually you you rub on your skin or on your hair, like directly. So you have to hold the bar with your hand. And then when you use it, you usually wet your hair. I mean, not usually, you wet your hair and with the bar too, right? So in general, it's really like slippery. So it's already hard to hold, hard to grip, but that shape makes even harder. And then I dropped the bar so many times, and it kind of makes me crazy. So even if I feel HiBAR makes my car a little bit more like enhanced than compared to Kish, I still can't handle the shape. That makes me nuts. I can't. And also I feel HiBAR has more like light scent. Light scent doesn't mean bad thing. Some people don't like strong scent. So I'm just telling it's like scent, it's not so strong. I'm really new to like solid shampoo or conditioner. I mean solid bars. So might be just normal thing, but when I use Kish shampoo, I feel my hair is a little dry when I rinse shampoo. And then HiBAR does it too. It might be just solid bar thing. Also something I recognize, the HiBAR holds my car a little more. It's day 2. I washed my hair yesterday morning, I think. And then you can still see my curls, right? I mean, just on the end of it, but anyway. But I feel HiBAR holds my curl a little bit more longer and then more like obvious. It's like, do you know what I mean? But I also feel my hair feel a little drier than Kish. Yeah, I feel that. And then I don't know if the shampoo caused me that, but I noticed I have like flakes on my hair. I don't know if the dryness makes my scalp kind of like, makes flakes or what, but I don't want to show you, but I noticed recently I have more flakes on my head. It's a HiBAR's review video, but I found Kish at Ulta. So it's kind of good thing because you don't have to pay shipping fee, or like, if you are going to Ulta anyway, so you can get the product. So less carbon footprint for transfer product, something like that. Well, so I think I prefer Kitsch more than HiBAR, but main reason is again the shape. I can't. But also I recognize that the HiBAR's shampoo getting small kind of quick. I use the shampoo and conditioner same amount, right? I mean same time. But shampoo bar is already like kind of halfway through, I feel. It's like, I don't know. Maybe I use more shampoo. I don't know. I don't know, but I just feel HiBAR's shampoo wouldn't last long. So it's just short video, but I'm gonna keep doing it, like reviewing solid shampoo bars, and then for like car hair. But I don't know if my car goes away. I don't know what should I do. I mean, I can just switch to normal shampoo bar or something. Or anyway, okay, that's it for today. And thank you for watching. And then I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Oh, did you hear my stomach? Well,